Hi everyone, this is Aradhya Ramya. I'm from Guntur. I currently live in Hyderabad. Okay, coming to my introduction, I completed my graduation in the year 2021 from Vijayawada. Soon after, I have placed in a BPO company, and then I wanted to change my career to technical field. So I have joined in this Munstack development course in 2021, and from then I'm learning courses, doing some jobs, and also continuing this. And recently, I have applied to a company called FastPix from the job portal. There, I have attended the offline drive conducted by the company on April 4th of this month. 4th of this month, actually. There's the drive consists of three rounds actually. First one is assessment round, and second is group discussion, and third is a technical round. Okay. Coming to the offline assessment, it consists of two sections. First one is the MCQs part, and second is the coding part. Coding is only based on Python. There they asked around three questions, I think so, hardly. Also, they are also on the medium level only, not much hard or not much easy. A person with regular practice of coding can do this. Okay, I have completed that, and technical MCQs are mostly asked on SQL joins and Git commands. They have asked mostly of SQL, Node.js, and Git commands. Only two or three we have received it on Python because they have asked coding based on Python. No? So they have divided the uh, MCQs with SQL. Okay, coming into that, my performance, I have performed it well. I think so. It is about 110 for both coding and MCQs. After going into the technical interview room, he asked me to introduce myself. I have introduced there. Then, basing on my resume, he asked some of the questions like what is the previous experience you have did, where did you study before, what type of projects you have done. These things they have asked, and some of the questions he asked me are like, what is the version of JavaScript you use there, and what type of backend data technologies you have used for Python, developing Python. Since it is a Munstack developer we have did here, he asked me what type of backend you have used for Python. A person from next to a placement team also will be there in the technical round time. So he said that we just gave the basics of Python in their course. We don't have more involvement in Python and Munstack course. Maybe they may provide it to the intensive 2.0, but I belong to the intensive 1.0, so I do not have more about Python. Only the basic fundamentals. Okay, I said the same. He said okay, and he asked me, "What do you know about React.js?" I said that React is mostly useful to develop front end, back end. Front end UI pages mostly. Also, that is used to develop single page applications mostly. And some of the examples I said are like e-commerce application. Then he asked me, is e-commerce application a single page application? And I said that I have learned it, up to my knowledge, I have learned it as a single page application, I said. Then he explained me, no, it is not. Since it consists of many pages like a home, cart, products, all these pages, it is not a single page application. He explained it to me and said that, okay, that's fine. We will update you on the next what will be done. He said, okay, this is all about my interview. And what else I like to share with you guys are like practice. Practice made me crack in first round. That is technical assessment. Practicing daily at least two or three coding questions from Python helped me a lot, and revising concepts of Python helped me in technical. Okay, then group discussion. Okay, that is fine because it is not more than up to 30 to 1 seconds. A people without any fear or a little basic understanding of subject will also crack this. And coming to the technical round, the first thing we have to maintain is a confidence. We should not feel tense there. And the basic things we have to know about the technologies what we have used. will be helpful in cracking this technical interview. Thank you.